Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will talk about that how can you apply for the VTEE examination. Okay, so I've already given updates regarding the what is VTEE exam, what is the eligibility criteria, and various important things such as the exam pattern, all things. So in context to that, now I will provide you the important video that how can you apply for the VTEE examination. Besides that, I will share you some of the important tips for getting the good marks in VTEE examination. So make sure to watch the video guys completely. So after watching the video, if you get something from a video, then please support my channel for getting informative updates related to the WBJEE, JEE main and various competitive examination. Okay. So let me talk about that how can you apply for the VTEE examination. So first of all, what you have to do, step one, that just visit the official website. Okay, I will provide link in the description from where you can directly get access to that website. After that, first you have to register yourself by entering all the important details such as the name, parent name, mail ID, phone number, etc. Means simply you have to give your all the personal details related to the educational background. Okay, now after that a verification link will be sent to your registered email ID and you have to check the email ID for login details. And simply important information will be shared with your email ID, and after that you have to just simply give on, means you have to give your login credential and open that form. Okay, so after that you have to basically fill the detail such as the qualification and other important details such as what is your qualification in 10th, 12th and how much marks you got, and various important details they will ask. You have to just upload all that things. After that you have to upload passport size photograph and signature. Very important guys, we have to upload photograph in a very clear way. Okay, it should not be any glitch and all things guys. Okay, after that finally in step 7 you have to basically submit the application fee. Means you have to basically uh, pay the submission fee for the complete, means for getting the registration and all things. Okay, so now after that step 8, after the submission of fee, a confirmation page will appear on your screen. So you have to simply download the confirmation page for the future usage. Okay, so this is the short things about the how can you apply for the VT 2023. And finally guys, don't forget to take the print out for the future reference. It is very important. You can also take out the PDF. You can also means basically take the PDF in your mobile. Okay, so this is the short steps of the how can you apply for the VT 2023. Now guys, some of the important preparation tips for the VT 2023. Okay, so important thing guys, that make a proper study plan, follow it strictly, because as you know that it will happen in April, so you have still 4 months, about 3 months or 4 months you can say. So you have to prepare for that guys. Then you have to go through the complete syllabus and exam pattern. In upcoming video I will provide you the complete syllabus. I have already uploaded the video related to the exam pattern, so you can also check out that. Okay, and I will provide about the syllabus. Don't need to worry about that. After that guys, solve the previous year and sample paper for better preparation. Appropriate time to must be prepared for studying anything, and don't distract this, because this is the precious time you guys. Okay, so this is the short tips and tricks I want to share with you. I hope video gonna informative to you. If you have doubt related to anything, then you can comment here. Feel free to ask about anything guys. Okay, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel, especially for the WBJEE Comtech and other interesting examination. So this is all about that. If you like the video, again saying guys, support my channel and must share with your friend so they can also get information about this. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.